Hi, this is Tom again. This is part two of the video of importing customer records into the system. In the first video, I showed you how you can separate concatenated name into first name and last name. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how to make these phone numbers have zeros in front. You realize that the phone numbers as they are don't have zeros, and most likely it's because of uh, Excel removing the zeros and assuming that the phone numbers are actual numbers. So how do you go ahead to separate this to add a zero so that the phone number is back again? So what you do is you insert a column to the right, this first step, and create phone number, a new phone number column. So in this column, what you're going to do is just do equal, and then you say concat, and you concat 0 and comma this column, and that. So that way, phone number now has the phone number record plus 0. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is click and drag. Once you've clicked and drag like that, you realize now you have clean phone numbers. But as in the first video, you realize that this column here has uh, has a formula, and you don't want this formula into your CSV, because if you delete this column, watch what happens. It's the Excel says that the the reference is missing. So let me just undo and show you what you need to do. So what you need to do is just insert a new column to the right, and then name it phone number again. Yes, phone number again, and then uh, highlight all these records, do a copy, and then come here to the new column, and then right click, do what paste special, and then you do paste values only. And once you have that, now you can delete this column comfortably, and you can delete this column comfortably. Now you have your clean records uh, of phone number, first name, last name, and now this is ready for importation. These are the mandatory fields into the system. The next very important field is the approve limit. So for now, I'll give all of these records a limit of 5,000, and I'll apply the same to all of them like that. Sorry, that didn't drag. Let me do it again. Apply it to all of them. Yeah, so all records have 5,000 like that. Now I'm ready to do an importation. So I just do file, download as CSV, and I can save this in my downloads. I save it as just delete all of this so that I save it as Jillian's records CSV. So save them like that. All I need to do is go back to Presta, refresh just to make sure that my session is still there, or I'm still logged in. So I realized I've been logged out. So let me just log in again. Boom. So just go to customer direct. So once I'm here, I do actions, import customers. On this screen, I click this, then I go to where I save my records. And once you import like that, it's importing the records. Give it a few minutes. Few minutes. So 78 records have succeeded, 12 have failed, total of 90. These are the records that have failed. So you realize like this record, what it's missing is saying that the last name is not mandatory. So we can go ahead and correct that last name. For now, we can just put in the same. So the records that are indicated here, one is Kimani, which is saying that the last name is mandatory. So going back to my record, I've come in and put in the name Kimani, and once I've put in like that, I have to create a new CSV. Let me just hide all this. Create a new CSV only with Kimani's record. Then I can put in all the other information like that, so that I'm able to import and have my record. Sorry, I've put in an empty column. Let me just delete it. File, download as CSV. Just save it for the record now. Go save. Then I can come back and import it. So you realize now it will load my 72 records, the records which succeeded. Actually, I have 79 records. So I can was imported. No, it was not imported. The money I'm looking for is his number ends with number ends with 263. Actually, it was imported. So what I think with the records that were saying that they've not been imported, most of them are duplicate records. So the system won't import the records twice. So there you go. That's how we do an importation of records on Presta. Thank you very much.